On this day is the 17th of February 2026 in the northernmost city in Greenland. The city's name is Qaanaaq, north of Thule. We are welcoming the sun back after 116 days of polar nights. That day on the sea ice, we have the first dogsled race. You can see the red flag, the yellow flag, and green flag. And the race starts 3, 2, 1, go! The dogsleds here in Qaanaaq is still used to hunting and fishing. They are not only for dogsled race. The sea ice is around 1 meter thick. You can see icebergs, and the big island on the left is Qaanaaq, Herbert Island. Now you can see the sunlight at the horizon. Wow! The icebergs, we call them idudiaq, and plural it's idudiset. This iceberg is around 40,000 years old. And you can collect some ice for your glass of water. Just beautiful. It is something you can experience here in Qaanaaq. Qaanaaq is a town with 600 populations. They have 3 villages and together around 700. And now we have the 2 best dogsleds in Qaanaaq racing for the finish line. The winner of the best dogs is almost at the finish line. Wow! Now we have the winner. And the winner is Igaya Arada. And number 2, Adoruk Simiga. And the other hunters are coming. So, thank you for watching.